In 1944, German infantry faced a terminal gap in their firepower. Their standard rifles were powerful but slow, while their submachine guns provided high rates of fire but were ineffective beyond 100 meters. The engineering solution was the STG-44. By utilizing the 7.92 by 33 mm Kurtz cartridge, it bridged the gap, offering the controllable automatic fire of a submachine gun with the range of a traditional rifle. This design became the foundational blueprint for the AK-47, the M16, and the G3. Within a decade, the world's major powers had all adopted its central premise, that a single, universal rifle could meet every requirement of the modern soldier. But the diverse terrains of 21st century conflict have exposed the flaws in that compromise. A weapon built for the tight corridors of an urban alleyway is physically mismatched for the open vistas of a high-altitude border. Engineering combat readiness now requires a highly specialized ecosystem of hardware rather than a single all-purpose tool. India is leading this transition by moving away from its unified INAS rifle program in favor of a dual rifle doctrine. For close-quarters urban combat and dense jungle patrols, the military is deploying the Russian-origin AK-203. Its 7.62 by 39 mm round is designed for reliability and a high volume of fire during rapid-fire encounters. But high-altitude passes like Sojila require a different set of ballistics. In these open, long-range environments, India issues the American SIG 716, a semi-automatic battle rifle that uses the heavier 7.62 NATO round to provide precision and stopping power at distances of up to 800 meters. To maintain this specialized inventory, India is localizing production. This defense trade show display shows platforms like the Tavor and Negev, originally Israeli designs, now manufactured domestically through private ventures like PLR Systems and Decoding. Geography is now the primary designer of the infantry arsenal, with specific environments dictating which hardware reaches the front line. Deploying specialized high-lethality hardware creates a new risk: the tactical nightmare of a weapon being captured and turned against its own unit during a struggle. To mitigate this, developers are engineering smart guns, weapons designed as closed-loop systems that only function for an authorized operator. This RFID-based approach utilizes a wrist-worn transponder. The weapon stays locked unless it detects a secure signal from this token. The connection is instantaneous. An onboard receiver monitors proximity, locking the trigger the moment the user is separated from the weapon. Biometric alternatives take this further. Dynamic hand grip recognition uses embedded sensors to measure the unique pressure patterns and physical geometry of a soldier's hand, creating a digital signature required to fire. These systems effectively turn the rifle into a secure node in a tactical network. Without the verified operator, the most advanced hardware on the planet becomes dead weight. The final variable is the operator. Specialized hardware and secure technology are ineffective if the soldier's cognitive capacity fails under the stress of a firefight. Traditionally, military readiness was measured on a calm, daytime range like this. While a soldier might hit every target, this controlled environment fails to replicate the psychological strain of actual combat. This gap led the U.S. Army to launch Project Lethality, a program designed to measure and improve human performance under extreme cognitive load. Programs like Holistic Health and Fitness now push soldiers into scenarios like this: nighttime live fire exercise. By adding darkness, sparks, and noise, the military can measure how well a soldier processes information while the nervous system is under duress. Firepower is useless if the operator cannot maintain focus. Lethality is now measured by a soldier's ability to navigate chaos, not just their score on a flat range. Modern firepower is the sum of three pillars: hardware built for the terrain, technology that secures the user, and training that hardens the human psychology. The era of the one-size-fits-all assault rifle has ended. True firepower is an integrated ecosystem where the right tool is secured by smart technology and wielded by a human mind.